Which corded rotary hammer drill is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, DSHUO1 SDS Plus Drill. First up is the DSHUO1 SDS Plus Lightweight Rotary Hammer Drill, priced at just $63.33. Honestly, what caught my attention was its lightweight build and versatile functions. If you want a reliable tool for concrete work without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This drill features a powerful 9-amp motor that delivers up to 1,100 RPM and an impressive 5,300 BPM for efficient drilling in tough materials like concrete and masonry. The SDS Plus bit system allows for quick bit changes, so you won't find yourself wasting time in the middle of a job. It also has a built-in safety clutch to prevent injuries if the bit binds up. This genuinely surprised me, as most drills skip this feature. Now, some people complained about the drill being a bit underpowered for heavy-duty tasks. Here's the thing though, if you're a DIY enthusiast or working on lighter projects, this won't be a deal breaker. But if you're a contractor needing to tackle massive jobs, you might want something stronger. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user looking to handle home projects. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty option for constant professional use. At this price, it offers great value for casual users. Now, if the lightweight nature of the DSHUO bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bosch 11255 VSR. Next up is the Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Extreme, retailing at $221.32. This drill caught my eye with its ergonomic design and solid reputation. If you want something that balances power with ease of use, this is definitely one to consider. With 3 modes of operation, rotation only, rotary hammer, and hammer only, you can switch it up based on what you're tackling. The D-handle design offers comfort during long jobs, and the SDS Plus system makes bit changes a breeze. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're in the middle of a demanding task you won't want to be fumbling around, the Bosch keeps you efficient. However, some users mention that the drill can feel a bit heavy during extended use. Now, I'll be real with you, if you're just tackling smaller projects, this weight might not be an issue, but for longer jobs you might feel it. This is perfect for you if you're a serious DIYer or a professional needing a reliable tool. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight and portable, as it might weigh you down. Given its quality, it's worth the investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing more muscle. Product number 3, CCI Heavy Duty Drill. Coming in third is the CCI Heavy Duty Rotary Hammer, priced at $114.46. What stood out to me is its powerful motor and complete accessory kit. If you're looking for a versatile hammer drill that can handle a variety of tasks, this is worth checking out. This tool is equipped with a hefty 13-amp motor that offers a crazy 6J of impact energy and a 4,000 BPM impact rate. That means it's built to power through concrete, brick, and stone without breaking a sweat. Plus, it features 4 functions: hammer, drill, chisel, and chisel alignment, so you can tackle everything from demolition to precise drilling. Here's why this matters. You get a ton of utility without needing multiple tools. But some users have reported that the drill can be a bit tough to control at higher speeds. Here's the thing, for most users, especially if you're an experienced DIYer, this shouldn't be a huge problem, but it might frustrate beginners. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, all-in-one tool for various projects. Skip this if you're looking for something super lightweight, or if you're a beginner who might struggle with power. With all it includes, it's a fantastic value. Now, if the CCI's power level was a bit too intimidating for you, the next product might just be the perfect balance. Product number 4, VEVOR Rotary Hammer Drill. The fourth product is the VEVOR 1-inch SDS Plus Rotary Hammer Drill, priced at $86.37. I was drawn to its hefty motor and ease-of-use features. If you want a solid option that won't break the bank, this is definitely worth a look. This drill has a 13-amp motor that produces 5.5 J of impact energy and allows you to switch between 4 functions. So whether you need to drill, hammer, or chisel, it's got you covered. It also has a speed control system that allows you to adjust from 1 to 6, which is great for matching the power to the material you're working with. Plus, the anti-vibration feature is a big plus for extended use. Here's why this matters. If you're working on long projects, you won't be worn out by the vibration. However, some reviews mention that the trigger can feel a bit stiff. Now here's the thing, while this could be a hassle for some, most users find that the benefits far outweigh this minor inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option for home renovations or DIY projects. Skip this if you're seeking a high-end professional tool. It's a great pick without a hefty price tag. Now, if the VEVOR's price caught your eye, the final product might surprise you with its performance. Product number 5. DEWALT D25263K. Finally, we have the DEWALT SDS Rotary Hammer Drill, priced at $316.72. The impressive specs and brand reputation really drew me in. If you're looking for a premium tool that delivers on performance, this one's a strong contender. This drill features an 8.5 amp motor with 3 joules of impact energy, making quick work of tough materials. The active vibration control is a standout, significantly reducing the fatigue you feel in your hands during extended use. Plus, the integral clutch helps reduce sudden torque reactions if the bit jams, which is a real lifesaver. Here's why this matters. You can work longer without the constant worry of pain or injury. That said, some users have pointed out that the price might be a bit steep for casual users. Here's the thing though, if you're taking on serious projects or working as a professional, the reliability and features make it worth the investment. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who regularly tackles heavy-duty jobs. Skip this if you only need a drill for occasional home projects, as it may be overkill. The price reflects the quality, and it's definitely an investment in your toolkit. To wrap things up, we've covered the lightweight DESHUO for casual users, the powerful Bosch for serious DIYers, the versatile CCI for all-around projects, the budget-friendly VEVOR, and the premium DEWALT for professionals. Each has its strengths, so think about what matters most for your needs. In conclusion, whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a serious contractor, or just need a reliable tool for odd jobs, there's a corded rotary hammer drill on this list for you. From budget-friendly options to high-performance tools, choose what fits your needs and budget best. Happy drilling!